Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Android apps games is not updating on your phone. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple solution. So same problem I also facing in my phone. So when I am trying to update the app from the Google Play Store, the app is not updating. Okay, so I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. So let's get started. Okay, so when you are facing this type of problem on your phone, first you need to check your internal storage of your phone. If the internal storage is not free at the time guys, you can definitely 100% face this type of problem on your phone. First you need to check and free up some your internal storage. Okay, if the internal storage is already free, after then you are facing this type of problem on your phone, you can now follow next and easy solution. So now you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification like this and go to all apps. Okay, and here you can get the all installed apps on your phone. Scroll down and find out first Google Play Store. Okay, scroll down and find out Play Store. As you can see, Play Store is here. Just tap on it, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of your Play Store. Okay, after doing this guys, go back. Now you need to find out Google Play Services. Open it, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of the Google Play Services. Okay, after doing this guys, go back. Now you need to find out Google Services Framework. If the Google Services Framework is not showing here, in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three dots option. Just tap on it. Here you can get the option show system. Okay, just select it. Now scroll down and find out Google Services Framework. As you can see guys, here you can get the Google Services Framework. Just open it, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this app. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the Google Play Store and try to update the app. Now it will fix your and it will update your app 100% successfully, as you can see guys. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to uninstall the updates of your Google Play Store. To uninstall it guys, once again you need to open your phone settings, go to apps and notification, open Google Play Store, and here in the top right side corner of your screen, here you can get the three dots option. Just tap on it. Here you can get the option uninstall updates. Okay, just tap on it. It will not uninstall the Google Play Store, it will only uninstall the updates of your Play Store. Just select that option and now you need to update the Play Store. To update the Play Store, open the Google Play Store on your phone, and here guys, here you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it, open the settings. Okay, in the settings, go to about, scroll down. Here you can get the option update Play Store. Just tap on it. From here you can easily able to update the Google Play Store on your phone. So this is the last and final solution. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solutions to fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.